Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So recently I created a website like the codefarm.in for our own channel in here. On this website, I'm trying to put much contents that I can, primarily focused on the learning only, nothing else. So it's still in progress, right? So a couple of things here and there places are there. Maybe in incoming time I will organize it a bit more better way, but the current state is also not that bad. So here I'm trying to put a roadmap, blogs, videos, YouTube videos you can see in here directly, cohorts, anything going on, quizzes and other JWT. I want to go through in upcoming videos. You will be you will be seeing me demoing a couple of features in here. So one of the things that I want to play in here, because learning is the thing that we do, right? And how we can do that. So quizzes is the section like on the backend side, system design, Kafka, microservices. You will find many of the topic. So the one that I want to play today, I also want to show how you can make use of this one. There are two modes like team mode and create quiz and all, but the create is not supported at the moment. You can use the already created quizzes in here. The first one is the Kafka I have selected in here, and it will show me the quizzes available around that one. So the first one, Kafka fundamentals, that I want to play around. So click on the play. If you want to have it in a time bound manner, you can have the 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and like this one. And you can have the manual next also. Let me show you what does it mean. Let's say I put it as 60-second in here. I started a quiz in here. So there will be a timer running in here, right? So what is the default port for the Apache Kafka broker? Very basic one, because it says the fundamental. If you have used the Kafka, you for sure know about these things, right? So the moment you clicked on this one, timer will stop. You have to click on the next one. Again, the next questions timer will be there. What is a Kafka topic? uh, Category feed, consumer, Kafka broker, single message, a category feed of messages. This is what it is. And it's not just the quiz demo, but learn the Kafka also. What does a partition do in Kafka? So there is a topic, there is a partition, Kafka broker and other things are there. So partition, what is the role of this one? Encrypts messages, nothing. Compress messages, not. Authenticates producer, no. Enables parallel processing and scalability. Yeah, that's it. So if you want to like draw it like something, so something like whiteboard is also created in here. Coming in here, create a new board, Kafka, and you can have like these boards are stored in memory in your browser. If you are using they are not stored in the database or anything. So if you refresh your browser, they are gone. So it's all free, nothing to pay, but the thing is that it's your browser only. Okay, so if I have to like tell you the story about this Kafka and partition, if I have to explain you, right? So uh, we have the word name as a Kafka, right? So just reiterating, Kafka cluster. So why this is known as a cluster? Because Kafka is composed of not one but multiple brokers. This is broker 1, this is broker 2, broker 3, there can be more. Within these brokers, we do create the topic, and this topic is replicated to the broker 2 and broker 3 also. That is what we say the replication factor, right? While creating the topic, we can have the replication factor set. If it is 2, it will copy the data to the 2 brokers, and so on and so forth. If we create the topic and we are sending the messages, they are not going there, so there will be partition associated with this one, right? So p0, p1, p2. So these partitions, actual messages sit in these partitions in here, and there is a consumer, right? On the other end, there is a consumer that will be listening to this topic in here. When we are saying that listening to the topics, these partitions get assigned to this one. So if we have 3 partition, 1 consumer, all of them will be assigned to this one. If we have consumer 1, 2 and consumer 3, the story will be different. One will be assigned to this one will be assigned to this one, and one will be assigned to this one. If you start one more consumer, this one will be sitting idle. Rebalancing will be happening, one of the consumer will be sitting idle. So that is what it is saying, that partition is the unit of parallelism there. Okay, what is the minimum number of brokers recommended for Kafka? 3 is the one that is recommended. And the next question, what is the offset in Kafka? A unique sequential number assigned to each message in the Kafka in here, right? So this is auto next in 60 seconds also this will be there, but within that time we can understand this one. So when we send the messages, let's say M1 you are sending it, right? So in this topic it will land into the one of the partition P0, P1 or P2. If it is going in here, it will get a number. M2, it is going into this one, it will get a number. M3, let's say it is going into this one, it will get a number. These auto incremented numbers are the offset. Next, what is the which component is responsible for tracking consumer positions? Consumer positions, if it is associated, who is the one that tracks that state? This is the consumer only. Broker stores the information, but consumers ask it is to store that one. That is why answer is consumer. What is the role of zookeeper in Kafka? Cluster coordination and leadership, but with the latest version 4.x, zookeeper is not there, but KRaft is there. But this is zookeeper has been associated with the Kafka, so it's important to know this thing. What is the retention period in Kafka? Time to process a message, time to acknowledge, time to replicate, time messages are kept before deletion. So retention is the one that is. What is the consumer group in Kafka? Group of consumers that share partition ownership. I told you, right? So this is the one that we are saying in here. They are all part of the consumer group. Consumer 1, 2, 3. That is how they share the partition assignment also. Without consumer group, they cannot associate. What happens if the consumer group has more consumers than partition? We just saw that. Extra consumers sit idle. Finish the quiz, and that's how we'll get the summary of the all right and wrong in here. You can go to the all quizzes in here and select another one, but you got the understanding about the Kafka fundamentals, right? So go ahead and play around more quizzes and explore more sections in here, blog and all. And for sure, share me the feedback, what you want, what you like, not like, what you want me to add in this website in here. I'll definitely add that one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.